Well, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and the Z Flip 5 are the two big things coming from Samsung around August this year. And we've already seen how the Galaxy Z Flip 5 will look like in real life. You can check out my recent video on that. But according to Sam Mobile, Samsung is developing 256GB, 512GB and a 1TB variant of the Galaxy Z Fold 5. And all of them will come with a UFS 4.0 technology. The sequential write and read speeds are crazy fast, like twice that of the UFS 3.0 technology, and even being much more efficient. The Galaxy Z Flip 5, although, will come with a 128GB variant, a 256 and a 512GB variant. There is not going to be a 1TB variant. And as you guys know from the Galaxy S23 series, the 128GB model is not going to be the UFS 4.0 one. It will be UFS 3.1 storage technology. The reports are coming from renowned leaker Ice Universe this time, who is saying that the redesigned mechanism named droplet or water drop hinge will enable the main display or the folding display to form a droplet shape inside the body of the hinge, and this will eliminate the crease that we normally hate inside the foldable phones, and it will also allow it to close flat. There will be no gap when closed, and that is great because these phones are still gonna have the IPX8 rating. Now, if you don't know about the IPX8 rating, that simply means this is still not dust proof. Yes, dust, sand and all the stuffs can still kill the devices, but the splash of water might not. So it will prevent a lot of dust from coming inside. That's actually good. In addition to that, Ice Universe also reveals that the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will have a thickness of 13 point something mm when folded. And that, if you compare with the Galaxy Z Fold 4, which usually sits around 15.8 mm when closed, is crazy insane to think about. Like, that's a good improvement. Now, if you don't know, that is still way thicker than a normal slab smartphone at this point. But again, that's not where it ends though. Samsung is looking forward to improve the overall quality of its next foldable phone, because they will always have to upgrade the durability, and that's how they can progress in the foldable world, because the competition is gonna be like huge this year. Now, according to Korean news outlet The Elec, Samsung is actually reportedly in the process of beginning the final durability test of the new water drop hinge for the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Now, apparently this test will revolve around discovering whether or not the Galaxy Z Fold 5's new hinge can withstand at least 200,000 folds test. So the initial test appears to be based on basic usage, and it is being estimated that the Fold 5's new water drop hinge could have a like 300,000 folding limit. Now, if you compare this estimated 200,000 folds number with something like a Oppo Find N2 or N2 Flip, which also has a similar kind of hinge, that has a massive number of folds limit. That is about 400,000 at this point. But keep this in mind, this is still about prototyping and designing and changing and so many things. There are going to be more tests, and we're going to know more about the Galaxy Z Fold 5 in the coming weeks. Because here is a crazy rumor. After 2024, Samsung might even offer a Z Flex, a Z Fold Ultra, a Z Flip Ultra, and a Z Tab. Now, the tipster also goes on to say that Samsung will also replace many of its mid-range A-series devices with the Galaxy K lineup. And the Galaxy S Plus model will also be discontinued, which we have already heard a long time back. And that will also be replaced with the Samsung S Premium unit. At this point, it seems crazy, but according to an article by Sam Mobile, Samsung is actually determined to use foldable technology in a wide range of devices, including tablets, laptops, and even PC monitors. So yeah, Samsung is crazy about foldables. So we are gonna see foldables everywhere. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about these? Like, these are all very crazy concepts, and like, wow, I'm freaking out. Okay, after releasing this free 8K wallpaper pack, here is absolutely stunning 8K wallpaper pack called Lightbeam. On any monitor, computer, tablet, or even smartphone, it looks awesome. Want to see right away on your devices? Visit my website, link down below. It's for everything tech, where you will find free watch faces and tons of tech news much faster than these videos. So definitely visit it. Until the next one, bye and take care.